Ever felt like your business phone system was playing a game of hide and seek with your actual phone numbers? Like you're trying to wrangle a herd of digital cats, and all you want is to add one simple number to your 8x8 account? You're not alone. We've all been there, staring at the screen, wondering if we need a secret decoder ring to make it happen. Let's face it, in today's fast-paced world, seamless communication is the lifeblood of any business. Whether you're a bustling startup or a seasoned enterprise, having the right phone numbers connected to your 8x8 system is absolutely crucial. It's about more than just making calls. It's about building relationships, providing top-notch customer service, and ensuring your team can connect effortlessly. But here's the kicker. Navigating the intricacies of adding a phone number to a complex communication platform like 8x8 can sometimes feel like trying to solve a Rubik's Cube blindfolded. You might have a new direct dial number, a toll-free line, or even a virtual number you want to integrate. The question is, how do you do it without pulling your hair out? Before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let's take a moment to understand why this seemingly simple task is so important. Adding a phone number to your 8x8 system does more than just expand your dialable options. It allows you to enhance customer accessibility. Providing multiple contact points ensures your customers can reach you through their preferred channels. Improve team collaboration. Direct dial numbers enable seamless internal and external communication. Scale your business. As your business grows, you'll need to add more numbers to accommodate increased call volume and expanding teams. Maintain a professional image. Toll-free numbers and vanity numbers can project a sense of credibility and professionalism. Track call analytics. Each number can be tracked, providing valuable insights into call volume, customer behavior, and team performance. Now, let's get down to business. Adding a phone number to your 8x8 system involves a few key steps, and we'll break them down in a way that's easy to follow, even if you're not a tech whiz. First, you'll need to access your 8x8 admin console. This is your command center, the hub where you manage all aspects of your 8x8 account. To get there, simply log in to your 8x8 account using your administrator credentials. Once you're in, you'll see a dashboard with various options. Next, you'll need to navigate to the Phone Numbers section. This is where you manage all your existing phone numbers and add new ones. Depending on your 8x8 version, this section might be labeled slightly differently, but it's usually found under the Account Management or Voice Services menus. Once you're in the Phone Numbers section, you'll see a list of your current numbers. Look for an option to Add Number or Purchase Number. Clicking this button will initiate the process of adding a new phone number to your system. Now comes the crucial part, selecting the type of number you want to add. 8x8 offers a variety of number types, including direct dial numbers. These are individual phone numbers assigned to specific users or extensions. Toll-free numbers. These numbers allow customers to call you without incurring long-distance charges. Local numbers. These numbers are associated with specific geographic areas. Virtual numbers. These numbers are not tied to a physical location and can be used to forward calls to any destination. Choose the number type that best suits your needs. If you're adding a direct dial number for a new employee, select DID. If you're establishing a customer support line, consider a toll-free or local number. After selecting the number type, you'll need to specify the number itself. If you're purchasing a new number from 8x8, you'll be presented with a list of available numbers. You can filter these numbers by area code, prefix, or other criteria. If you're porting an existing number, you'll need to provide the number and relevant account information. Porting a number, by the way, is a process where you transfer an existing phone number from another provider to your 8x8 account. This can take some time, so be prepared to provide all the necessary documentation and follow the instructions carefully. Once you've selected or entered the number, you'll need to assign it to a user or extension. This step is crucial for routing calls correctly. You can assign the number to an individual user, a call queue, an auto attendant, or any other destination within your 8x8 system. Next, you'll need to configure any additional settings for the number. This might include call routing. Specify how incoming calls should be routed, such as to a specific user, voicemail, or call queue. Caller ID. Set the caller ID name and number that will be displayed to recipients. Voicemail. Configure voicemail settings, such as voicemail greetings and notification options. Call recording. Enable or disable call recording for the number. Time-based routing. Set up rules for routing calls based on the time of day or day of the week. Take your time to review and configure these settings carefully. They play a significant role in how your phone number functions within your 8x8 system. Finally, review all the settings and confirm the addition of the new phone number. Once you've confirmed, the number will be added to your 8x8 account, and you can start using it immediately. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.